Hi everyone, welcome back to my corner. Today I'm super excited because I just received my September cat ladybugs. So as you may know if you follow me, I didn't receive the August cat ladybugs because there was a problem with shipping. So I decided to cancel it, and I was kind of scared that there would be a problem with shipping for the September one, but it arrived, so I'm super happy. So we're gonna open this right away. So in the July box we were missing one item, which was the dryer balls, and we were supposed to receive them in the August box, but since I did not receive the August box and I canceled it, I asked them if they would put it in the September box, and they said yes, of course. So I'm curious to see if they remembered. Let's see. So let's open this. Oh, kitty. So this is the little drawing this month. So the cat lady artist featured this month is Sinclair Stratton. You can find what she does on sinclairstratton.com, and it's really cute. This has all the prices and all the stuff, so I'm not gonna look into it too much. So, open this. So first of all, the dryer balls. So they remembered. I'm super happy because I really wanted to try these. So I was like, please tell me you can put them in the September box. So it says felted wool dryer balls. It says to use, toss in your dryer with laundry, reduces static and wrinkles, lessens drying time to conserve energy, soften clothes naturally, no harmful chemicals. I've never used things like that. It's super cute. There's little paws on them. So it's like a ball of fur, I guess. Looks like it. So I have 6 of them. I have no idea how you use these. Like, I don't know if it's something that you can reuse often, or I have no idea. So I'm super happy. So I don't have the price of this because it was not included in this box. It was something that was missing from the July box. So the next item, I'm gonna get a toy because Alice is there and she wants to play with stuff. So the first thing that I see is like a purple, what they call that? So it's a crazy purple carrot catnip toy. It's $6. It's like a purple carrot then. So it's super cute, so I'm gonna give it to her. Alice. She's licking it. Okay, so anyway, so the next thing is super small. What is that? Let's see. It says purple crown catnip toy, $6. I would have never guessed that it was a crown. Like, so it's supposed to be a crown. So this is cute. It's probably something that Alice is going to play with, like, naturally. Okay, so next thing is this. I think it's a pen. It says Iridescent Purple Cat Pen, $5. So it's a pen with like a crystal ball that is shaped with a cat head, I guess. It's super cute. On the other end, it's a pen. So that's really cute. Really cute, really sweet. Next thing is every day is Catterday. It says trinket dish. I don't know what this is. Oh, it's like a little saucer. And it says every day is Catterday. This is super cute. Is it like something that you put keys and stuff in? Let's go see. So it says Catterday trinket dish. Keep your tiny trinkets tidy in this cat-tastic dish. $14. I'm not sure what trinket means. If you know, tell me in the comments. This is really cute. It's ceramic. It's from Cat Ladybugs. Super sweet. On the box it says Cat Ladybugs donates a portion of all profits to cat rescue organization. Thank you for helping us help cats in need. So that was $14. I really like this. I don't know where I'm gonna put it though, because I don't really have any like desk where I put this. I'll see. The next thing is, so it's a mug. It says dishwasher and microwave safe. So I remember receiving an email from Cat Ladybugs that said that you probably shouldn't put it in the microwave, even though it says that it's microwave safe, because the mug was getting really hot. So they were saying to be careful. Ooh, shiny. So I don't know if you're gonna be able to see because it's very reflective. But it's in the shape of a cat. So it's just an iridescent cat mug. It's kind of neat. I see why it would get very hot, because like it's ceramic. Alice is playing with the toy. So yeah, it's ceramic, but I feel like this would get really hot. And it's the handle also, so I understand. But it's really, really cute. In person, it looks more purple. In the camera, it feels like it's more yellowish. It's really pretty. So the mug is $19. So one of the reasons why I didn't get the August box was because like most of the things that were inside were not really like amazing. It was like ice packs and stuff like that. Some things that I would never use. So this time I feel like there are more things that are interesting. Let's see the t-shirt this time. Oh, the color is beautiful. Look. In person, there's less red than in the camera, but it's a very beautiful purple. And let's see what it says. It says, cat hair is my glitter. So if you have cats, you know that you have cat hair everywhere all the time. So this is super cute. I love it. Again, it's super soft. The color is beautiful. The design is really cute. I'm really happy about this t-shirt. It's $23. The t-shirt for the August was, I think it was Treat Dealer. So I'm not sad that I missed it. I do not really give like treats to my cats because it's not good for them. So I try to stay away from it. I just give them treats when I want to bribe them. So the last thing that is in the box is a little card, and it says the next box is our annual Black Cat box. I can't wait! And it says our annual Black Cats box is one of our most popular boxes every year, and it's your next box. We can't wait to send this one to you. I can't wait to receive it. I know that the October box is gonna be a good box. It's gonna be the Halloween box, so I cannot wait. So I feel like the value of this box was pretty good. It's about $73, something like that. And I really like the little toys. Alice is playing with them right now, but it's really small, but it's something that she can toss in the air and play with all by herself. So I think she's gonna appreciate those little toys. And I'm happy that I have those two things that I can actually use. So this is really nice. And again, the t-shirt is really nice. The pen is, you know, it's cute. It's something that I probably will use, but like, I don't know if you remember, but I got another pen in another box with like a fluffy cat. I did not use it yet because it's not my, I don't know. I don't like writing with those pens that are so like, I don't know. I really think this is super cute though. So when this doesn't have ink anymore, I'm probably gonna break it and keep this because I think this is super cute. And so I'm happy with this box. I think it's better than the August box. It's not my favorite box though. I think that the July was better. The February was my all-time favorite. Like there were a lot of good boxes. So compared to this one, the others were probably better, but it's still a pretty good box. I'm super happy. On that note, I will wish you a happy evening. Have a good day. Take care. And I'll see you next time. Bye-bye!